Hello and welcome to Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. Are you a starving college student living off ramen? Or do you like those spicy ramen packets but hate the price and the fact that you have to throw away most of it because it's just too spicy to finish? Today, I'm putting together my version of spicy ramen sauce. You can make it as hot or as mild as you like. Let's see what we're gonna need. Obviously, we're gonna need some ramen noodles. Now I have chicken flavor, although really you could use any flavor. We will be flavoring the broth when we make this, but eventually we'll be discarding most, if not all of it. For the rest of these ingredients, we're using even amounts. I've got toasted sesame oil, light soy sauce, gochujang, which is a Korean hot pepper paste, along with hoisin. This is an Asian style barbecue sauce and it does add some sweetness. I also have Asian style Thai hot sauce. Now if you don't make your own, use the Rooster. This sauce doubles, triples, quintuples to infinity and beyond. So you can make just a single serving if that's what you like, or you can make a whole bunch to keep in your refrigerator for whenever you want some spicy ramen. We don't have to cook this sauce, so we're just gonna mix it up in a bowl. For the single serving, I'm using basically a rough teaspoon of each of these. There's the hoisin. This is our gochujang. Sometimes it's much more red than this. Okay. Next up is our soy sauce. Here's the sesame oil. This gives it a nice nutty flavor. And our Asian style Thai hot sauce. My son likes about twice as much of this as I do. And then I'm just using this little sauce whisk. It's about the size of a spoon. Once it's all combined, you can either use it, or if you make quite a bit, you put it in the refrigerator. And I'm just gonna taste this and make sure it's where I want. Oh yeah, that's perfect. All we have left is to cook our ramen. It's done that quickly. We can just top this with our spicy sauce and stir it together. However, if you've got a little more money, I have some Char Siu pork, some steamed snow peas, and a little bit of sesame seeds and chopped green onion that I'm going to top this with. I'll put the link to the Char Siu video at the end. Put some snow peas on here. Oops, so I can get a hold of them. Just gonna sprinkle some sliced green onions on here. And I have some white roasted sesame seeds. Let's give this a taste. I'm just gonna taste the noodles here and I'm not gonna be able to say anything. Suffice it to say, it's spicy, but it's not too hot. I can eat this entire bowl. Okay. Hot already. Perfect. Thank you for visiting Lauriceskitchen Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind the scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.